Hi all, welcome back to my channel Testing Guru. So this video is basically on part of Selenium, and this is going to cover more on Gecko driver setup. So with Gecko driver, which is basically used for connecting between the Selenium and Firefox. So and it can be set up by three ways, and this our video is basically to set up using system property in the test scripts. So other two ways are setting the driver using system property in the environmental variable, and then last one is system using the desired capability of the Selenium. Okay, so other two will be the in a separate video, and the link will be available in the description, so you can watch those as well and use as per your requirements. Okay, so to get started, so we need to understand what this Greco driver is all about. Like, well, I'm connecting from Selenium to Firefox, then what is this Greco driver? Like if you see the other browsers like Chrome, we call it as is that a Chrome driver. But why do we call this as a Greco driver? So Greco is a web browser engine that was developed by Mozilla, and different application of developed by Mozilla uses it. So that's why it is called a Greco driver, because it's not only for Firefox but all different application of Mozilla. And the Greco driver is basically written in C++ and JavaScript, and I think recently they have even been written in Ruby as well. So as stated earlier, so Greco driver is the link between the Selenium test and the Firefox browser. In other words, Greco driver is a proxy that interacts between the WebDriver capable clients and Greco based browsers. Okay. So what to do, how and how to use it? So firstly, you need to download the platform specific Greco driver, and most preference is for the latest version, which will be available in the GitHub. So the URL for the GitHub is present at the bottom of the screen. So and it will be available in the description as well. So go to the URL and go to assets and get the latest version which you want to use. So for our video demo purpose, we are just using Windows 64-bit. So we are going to look over to the Windows 64-bit, which is having the version 27 on it. So you need to download the zip file, unzip the zip file. It will have a exe file on it. So you need to save the exe file in a drive. So you can save it, for example, in a C drive. Under C drive, you can create a folder drivers, and you can create save Greco drivers, and you can save all the drivers if you are using multi-browser testing. So you can save all the drivers over here. Okay, so now to the main concept of the video, to add the use the system property for the Greco driver in the test script. So the syntax is simple. It's System.setProperty, and within double quotes webdriver.gecko.driver, and followed by the path of the Greco driver file. So in our case it is C driver followed by geckodriver.exe. Okay, so let's have a look over the code. And so the complete code which will be inside your class, which is for here it is Greco driver, is we will create a web driver, which is the driver equal to new Firefox driver, and we will set up the system.set property as stated earlier. It's webdriver.gecko.driver c double slash driver double slash geckodriver.exe. So here one thing you need to make sure that you are putting double slash to make it work as per our requirement, because if you put single slash it's not going to work. You need to give exception handling, so you need to put a double slash over here. Then we'll give the site which we need to navigate as usual. It is driver.navigate to the site, and once you're done with it, you're going to quit it. So I'm just printing a line over you to here to show that the execution is completed, which will be presented on the console. So using this setup, if you try to run this program, it's going to launch the driver, launch the Firefox application, go to demo.com and quit. So this is the end of the video. So if you are happy and like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my videos channel so that you can get more videos up to date. Thank you all for joining. Have a good day.